Okay, this is my brand new Jeep Rubicon and Gladiator, and it came with the stock halogen lights, which I'm going to switch out to LEDs. So I've done that on my other Jeep, and they look terrific. These are the LED lights that I purchased on Amazon, made by a company called True Mods. And I bought True Mods for my other Jeep 2021. And what's nice about them is they have a driver's halo light right here. And the one I bought for the other Jeep, it was a different model, which they don't seem to have anymore. But these ran just a little over 200 on Amazon. I was really pleased with the quality of the one that I put on my 2021 Jeep Wrangler. And so I went ahead and bought these from True Mods. This should be plug and play. The red is for the driver's halo light, driving halo light. The green should be for the turn signal, which I'm not going to install on this one. I'm going to leave that out. So this will actually connect to the one on the right, and then the one on the left, and then this will plug into F52 fuse socket, so that the driver's halo light comes on. Anyhow, that's the kit. Now I'm getting ready to put the LED headlights on, but what I want to do is I want to shine a light here and find out at what level I need to have. So right now it's set so that I don't blind people. And when I put the new LED headlights in there, I'm going to adjust it to make sure that it's right below the tape line. Okay, in order to get the grill off, I've got to undo 6 of these. And then I should be able to pull this, and then I should be able to just pull this off, and it should click right out. Okay, the left side one is out. I'm just gonna unhook this one, and then I'm going to clip this one, and it should be plug and play. So it looks like I have a choice here. I can use the springs, and that way the headlights can be adjustable. But since I'm not lifting, I'm going to keep everything, it's already a lifted Rubicon anyway, and I'm going to keep everything stock with 33 tires. So I'm not really going to change anything. I'm going to try putting in the headlights with the original hardware and without the springs, and see how that works out. And if that is, and then I'm gonna shine the light and see if that's aligned properly. If it looks good, then I'm not gonna do the springs. Okay, so now I ran this wire underneath this plastic flap, and I'm going to plug this into the red wire on the back of that light, and then I'm going to plug the fuse into the F52. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and snap this grill back on and check my lights, because I got to readjust these right now. But I think I'm going to actually put a longer bolt in there to secure that light. But I'm just going to check to see how the light is hitting the garage door, so that I don't blind anybody, and to find out if I need to use the springs. Okay, so now I got them turned on, but they are a little low, and being at that distance is going to be even lower at a much longer distance. So I'm going to go ahead and put the springs on and try to bring that up to right there. So basically now I'm going to wrap this around here. I'm going to pull the yellow fuse, that F52, plug that in. It's already got 2 fuses in there, ready to go, came with the kit. And I'm going to use this little tool right here that actually fits inside there to pull that fuse. And there you have it. Those are on the driver's halo going on. And I turned my blinker on to make sure I didn't cross the blinker wires from the halo wires. But that's it. Now, if I didn't take my sweet time, it should have taken only probably less than an hour.